What's up guys, my name is Scott, welcome to our review. Today we are reviewing one of very many knives that we collect. Now this is a Mossy oak knife. We've put it through some damage, some heavy duty tests in the past, but I wanted to give an update because I've been using this for a lot of different things and this thing works phenomenal. Like, this thing is nice, it's got great weight. For those who know me, know that I actually collect knives and guns. So I wanted to do kind of an example here of this knife. So as we can see here, just with a quick slice, that's how powerful this knife is. This knife can do some damage. It's great for so many different things. And I'm just giving quick slices. You know, I'm not preparing myself for a hard swing. That's how amazing this knife is. So if you guys are looking for a knife, oversized, this is the Mossy Oak Overwatch. And let me tell you, this thing is amazing. Works great for a lot of different things. So to all the fellow knife and gun collectors out there, bug out bag collectors, this will get the job done. It's worked great for hacking as well, for clearing out brush.